How do chickens crow in different countries of the world? Let's find out. United States. India. Japan. Vietnam. United Kingdom. Czech Republic. Germany. Italy. Cambodia. Norway. France. Laos. Australia. Philippines. Poland. Belgium. Portugal. Slovenia. Nepal. South Korea. Iran. Kenya. Singapore. Spain. Netherlands. Myanmar. China. Which country do you think that has the craziest chicken? Let me know at the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this.
I say to people that religion is more dangerous than the devil. Because religion will destroy your life, ruin your life, and give you a hope that is not real. He say, wife, submit to your own husband. He didn't say women should submit to men. Wife, submit to your own husband. So if you are not yet married, it doesn't mean that men are better than you.